Okay, I'm here in Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you how to use the program. First of all, you should have already added this program to your Google Drive and followed the instructions that were here. And then there's another set of setup instructions that you should have also followed by setting up your categories and your accounts. And so now you're ready to start entering your data, and you can either type it in, row by row, or you can import transactions. So you would click on here to get to the checking, or you could click below on checking. And so I'm in the checking, and as you can see, I got a whole year's worth of data in here. But let's say you want to enter in a split transaction. So I started to type in this one here, and I would put in the amount here is maybe 567, and then you want to categorize. You want to put an S here for split, and another screen is going to come up that you can break up this payment of 567 into the correct categories. And you can see it's working here. And so now this box has come up, and we can put in amounts here, like for the office supplies, let's say, and 500 for legal and professional. So these are your charges, and then you can hit submit, and it will then split it up, and it'll shade the rows here. So that's how you enter a split. To enter in a transaction that's not a split, so you would just put it on the row here as the information calls for, like you're decreasing your checking account. So you would always put in the date and fill in the name or description here. And if you have a check number, you would put that there. You can disregard the reconciled, because that comes in automatically when you go to reconcile. And so when you put in, when you decide what categories to put this to, if you put it to a subcategory, you just have to click on the subcategory, and the main category will fill in automatically. So that's how that works. And now you can see just 1 month, or you can see all months here. So that's how the program works for entering data, and all of your accounts work the same way. You can also look up, if you want to see what you've spent on office supplies, you would just click into there. You can print receipts. You can also reconcile your account, and you can see a history of what you've reconciled. And you can click on any of these reports to get reports here. And then your instructions on any tab that you're on, you can click on tab instructions, and it'll show you instructions for how to use that one sheet that you're on. And that's it. Thanks for watching.